Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. Hope you all had a great week and looking forward to the next week of class. This week we'll be talking about Lesson 3, Interpersonal Skills, Feedback, and Coaching. As far as the agenda, we'll first recap Lesson 2. We'll discuss the Lesson 3 objectives. We'll talk about the assignments due for Lesson 3, the HOA meeting guidelines, and a final thought. As far as a recap of Lesson 2, first let's talk about leadership style. Ask yourself, what is my leadership style based on what we discussed last week? What do I do well? What could I change to interact more effectively? Next, talking about being proactive. How much do I act rather than or acted upon? And in what areas of my life can I be more proactive? And what can I specifically change to become more proactive? And again, this comes from the 7 Habits reading. So some great questions to ponder and think about regarding your leadership style and your proactivity. Lesson 3 objectives is interpersonal skills, feedback, and coaching. We're going to learn about interpersonal skills, effective interpersonal skills in regard to team and interdepartment relations. Explore the process of providing feedback and coaching for a direct report, and analyze Mary Griffin's possible options in providing feedback to Simon York, this being the case study this week. So that the assignments are due for Lesson 3. So due this Tuesday at 11:59 Mountain Time, 11:59 p.m. This will be your first true case write-up, and this is the Mary Griffin at Derby Foods case. Please follow the case write-up would be my best piece of advice at this point. Reminder about to work on your accountability project. And then to complete your readings, this week it's pages 102 to 154 of the 7 Habits book. Due on Monday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time, you'll hold your first HOA group meeting. And I'll be talking a little bit more about that in the next slide. And so this will be your first one. Next, participate in the reading discussion based on your 7 Habits reading. Your groups are now all set up, so you can participate in the reading discussion online. And finally, make sure you take the self-assessment. A few words about the HOA group meetings. I will be meeting with groups 1 and 2 this week. So each week I will be joining 2 meetings live, 2 of your meetings live. So I'll be meeting with groups 1 and 2 this week. Team leaders, you'll find the discussion agenda link on the case study activity instructions page. So make sure you do that. And then please record your meetings per the HOA instructions. Finally, take advantage of the meeting time. Try to connect everything we've learned so far in your discussions. Okay. One final thought. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. And this is said by Aristotle. Some great advice to end our screencast on. Have a great week, everyone. I'll see you online and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.